A fan from Weihai, Shandong, spent 300K on a Land Cruiser, planning a full restoration with tens of thousands more to gift it to his dad, impressed by our restoration skills. Only 120,000 kilometers on the odometer. Solid overall condition, with accumulated wear and tear. We won't let down. This heartfelt gift for his father. We're fixing every issue at once. Restoring that new car feel. Enough talking. Let's dive into the full restoration process. Stripping the entire interior, reupholstering every interior panel, deep cleaning the original carpets, prepping the spray booth, removing old soundproofing adhesive, this is where odors come from over time. Thorough cleaning, new soundproofing installation, exterior disassembly, bumper held by zip ties, disassembly complete, installing updated exterior parts, perfecting panel gaps, full body sanding and repaint, degreasing the whole body, primer coating, color and clear coat application, refreshing all interior trim, converting to black interior, custom black and red leather seats, upgraded to Lexus style cushioning, softer pleasure support, door panel reupholstering, precision ultrasonic welding, even the roof gets soundproofing for ultimate quietness. Polishing painted screws, reassembling exterior parts, Reinstalling interior components. Replacing all fluids. New wheels installed. Road testing for perfection. Through hard work, our fan can finally give his parents something they've always wanted. Let's reveal the final transformation.